Is automatic bike wash machine suitable for apartment complex or parking lots? Imagine this: you live in a busy city where hundreds of motorbikes park in the same building every day. Rain, dust, mud, they appear up on the bike. But here's the problem: no one wants to waste time washing them. Now imagine having a smart automatic washing system right in your apartment complex or parking lot, where riders can get their bike clean in just 2 minutes without a single drop of sweat. Sound like dream? Well, that's exactly what Go&Go is making rule. And today we will answer the question every smart investor is asking: is an automatic bike wash machine really suitable for apartment complex or parking lots? Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you will know why this could be one of the smartest business models for 2025. Let's face this, managing an apartment or parking lot is not just about giving people space to park. It's about creating added value for residents and customers. Think about this. Most apartment buildings have hundreds, even thousands of residents, and almost every single one owns a motorbike. Now ask yourself, how often do they wash this? Once a week, once a month? And when they do, they have to ride out, find a local shop, wait in line under the hot sun, and pay $1 to $2 per wash. That is time consuming, inconvenient, and honestly, it's not a great experience. So what if, instead of wasting time, residents could just scan a QR code, push the button, and have their bike perfectly washed while they grab a coffee or head to work? That is where Go&Go comes in, turning something as simple as washing a bike into a profitable and automatic service system that adds value for both property manager and rider. The Go&Go automatic bike wash machine is designed exactly for high traffic areas like apartment complexes, parking lots, and malls. It's compact, efficient, and only needs a small space, about 10 square meters for a complex installation. It's run on 220 volt or 380 volt power. Use only 10 cents to 12 cents in electricity and water power, and complete a standard bike wash in 2 minutes. That means you can easily wash more than 100 motorbikes per day, completely automatically. Now imagine this from a business perspective. If you charge $1 per wash and only 200 residents use it daily, that's $200 per day, or about $6,000 per month in gross revenue. Your operating costs less than 10% of that. Now that is the real passive income every single day automatically. But it's not just about the profits, it's about innovation and image. Because when your apartment or parking lot offers this service, people notice, they talk about this, they post it online, they tell their friends. Your property instantly becomes the one with the smart washing system. That boosts your reputation, customer loyalty, and even property value. And here is the best part: Go&Go does not just sell the machine. We deliver a full turnkey business solution, from design and installation to training, maintenance, and export logistics. Go&Go has already installed hundreds of automatic bike wash systems across Vietnam, the Philippines, and Southeast Asia. Each location is proof that automation is not the future, it's happening right now. In apartment, residents love the speed, cleanliness, and convenience. In parking lots, owners love how the system works automatically, counts every wash, and needs almost no supervision. The machine is built for tropical climates with a stainless steel frame, high pressure nozzle, and an anti-corrosion system can keep it strong for years. Most investors achieve full ROI within 8 to 10 months faster than almost any small business model today. And with Go&Go 12-month warranty, spare parts support, and online maintenance guidance, and you are fully covered. So back to the big question, is the automatic bike wash machine suitable for apartment complexes or parking lots? The answer is loud, confident yes. It's compact, profitable, eco-friendly, and perfect for high-traffic areas. It's this modern solution that fits perfectly with today's urban lifestyle and sustainability goals. If you are a property developer, a parking lot owner, or an entrepreneur looking for a scalable business, this is your chance to stay ahead of the curve. Because here's the truth, automatic washing is not just a trend, it's the next big revolution in convenience service, and the ones who start early will dominate the market. So don't wait until your competitor do it first. Contact Go&Go today. Our expert team will help you calculate your ROI, plan your layout, and deliver your system anywhere in the world. Let's bring smart automatic washing to your apartment complex or parking area, because the future of convenience begins with Go&Go.